from Inside Story Designs. It's an interior design company, and I am the co-founder of this company. My first meeting with Mr. Pereira was for one of my projects, and I happened to face a water seepage problem in that project. I was thinking of going with the regular waterproofing method, which is available like very regularly out here in Pune. But when I spoke to Mr. Pereira, he explained it to me why these waterproofing methods are not a permanent solution, and it's a temporary solution, and it might just come back and ruin the entire setup. In this discussion, I happened to know more about waterproofing and kind of started knowing the terms like water tightening, etc., and how helpful it is and how much it has affected most of the structures around the city. Every rainfall, you come across projects where you have a lot of water seepage happening in this entire society. Mr. Pereira surveyed the entire house, and with his equipments, using thermographic reports, we were able to find the source of the seepage, which helped us clear out all our doubts, and also because we faced in the regular waterproofing method, we faced that after like couple of months you start having the same problems, or you probably face the same problems over and again. So this kind of helped us in determining the source and to stop it right from the source, so that it does not happen over again. To my statistics, almost out of 10 projects, 7 projects have this water seepage issues. This has been a major problem with the designers and with the residents of most of the apartments. But finally, I think I have found a solution to this, and that is wet to dry. And I'm really thankful to Mr. Pereira for actually guiding me throughout and also explaining this part of designing, which is very much essential for everyone. Water seepage does not, only affect your walls inside, but probably could lead to a very unhygienic situation in your house as well. Wise to all new home buyers or designers would be to probably just take this survey before you start your work, so that you don't face any problems during your execution or once you start living in it. I've known wet to dry solutions for like almost 4 years now, and they have successfully done a lot of projects, and I'm glad and happy to see them grow. And this is something that our city needs because of so many problems related to water seepage. And I can vouch that this is something like a permanent solution that we've come across from the regular ones that has been happening. So I would like to thank Wet to Dry for my successful projects also.